customs and traditions.
Because we say Mishia Kese, because na ba men na netiana na bang them punching. So
and right here show come say next year and then next 2 years, so with me in a year.
But your young interview,
thank you. Your mama Kwaba, Nana. Mama Kwaba, and that year share the aftermath of a year in your Bema. Yeah, Nana Kwabena Owusu a year in Ra, the enstoolment, the coronation, na a course. So now, first question I may be saying say, yeah, Mama Kwaba, near Mama Fisher pay. Yen share a year the entire leadership of a year equiapem. Yen share a year the entire leadership. Say, ye can say, mon describe it the leadership of a year equiapem landa. What would you say?
You.
All right.
It can, yeah, be answer the account. Yeka ukwapemanga. Na ukwapemang ye omanga ewo 5 divisions.
Wow.
Ukwapemang or 5 divisions. Na the senior division no ye Kronti. Na if Kronti ye Ojasi division. Kronti division no Kronti he no ono ti ekropon krom ho. Ukwapemang ti wo ekropon eho na man hene no owo. Ni Kronti hene so wo krom ho ekropon ho a. Na Kwabena Jase hene ye amano krom hene.
Wow.
Inti amano krom hene na oye Kwabena Jase hene.
Wow.
This is in my divisions. And here chino you will need fan division. No, my main friend in to me you will be in division. Division no ye latte ahinase. Latte ahinase hene na oye binkum hene.
Wow.
Latte ahinase hene oye binkum hene.
Yeah.
Na ono within that division no you won crew be to say Mampong, Manfin, Tutu, Abotechi, na she benkum.
I see.
Na ufi benkum so waba adonten. Adonten no ni odi won anim ye otobo jankwasi.
Wow.
Ono ni adonten hene. Na nkro a wo sha adonten mu no bi ebri atwesin ahwerase any nkro a wo sa area ho no jankama ne ade nyina wo nyina hye adonten mu. Na efe de memra nifa if you say asam ye beka na efe de ye ba nifa mengu nti na meka se ma mefe no ntwato no. Na oba nifa mu so a nifa ni ti wadu krom. Nti adu krom hene osodumja otutu ababio. Na oye nifa hene. Na nifa no if you brew, if you kropon a
yeah.
Uko brew, if you brew a uko dewa woko ukugwa. If you ukugwa uko edu krom. Na edu krom no wo fan nifa side a ewe edu krom. Udu edu krom na wo fan nifa edo uko predi. Na wo fan benkum a edo wa kwa asese so. Nti wo can say a brew na asese so bang na na meresero kakra.
Mayara
mensa. Enti asese so na efe abonse. In fact, abonse ni asese so no kra we nuanom.
I see.
Na abakwasema ho ne say asese so no na won na wodi abonse mankrado.
Wow.
Na sembi ne bai na ma wo fi krom ho court na baby a what is say no. But until with time no abaye say wo di won ho so. So what I saw a very closely knit relationship. Inti asese so ne abonsen na won atew won ho kakra in terms of location no nti ufi asese so na sankopo na enche bia na wadu so menya
oh I see
nti won is so menya na ebo hyew
I see
yo
nana mpacho say yete wase na ye boni tofa na che say ekropon hene no ono na odi mu ne na amoso ana
yo ono ni okuapem hene
oh okay
Interesting. So that's the leadership of Equiapem land. So if you didn't know, now you know.
Now you know.
By kind courtesy of Nana. Now, after Yemra Nana Kwabena Owusu, so share the traditional processes which led to an enstoolment as Gwantua Hene of brew. You know, there are some processes. Also background research near the ADB. You better say, Modi be film kakra. Sena ebi obi hwe ebi adachi bi onya hene bi obedi na oye bibi na ensem fata na wa hwene wa check na brabo no we say no ade am ye emwa me nti nana mamintie nana ba kakra
and I just said that say we be nyama ni so akire obi a Ekwapem ye baby e fe yi pa proud say Owusu fi ho
February nti obo
I don't think
na October jankwesi na meresem
nti sanya koda oreka no no kware yemfo bi akeke indi ohene nti obi a sabe nyame asra no ngo odimu ne nyama ye etrese obetumi di oman ananipa so na nyama bebre ne yehwe niti your connection with the royal family very key nti se wo hwe sani anana no na oritre na se because one church asanyama nimu a obi kura betumi afachi aba investigation e we dey undeserve because and ye nim say ebi ahindi ni bi wo no ma bi say l'argent and what
people buy it
yes enti wash asanyama ni na the most important thing your lineage with the royal family. And then after that so character as an individual and wo hwe yen ya yenyane or deserve it because we pay any dues.
True.
We share impact. We make it even in the media. And nyama bebre waje as an individual no. And no washe. Na yede fa. Nye obi akeke. Say sabu tsanya woka no. Woto ho na baby ense say wo fa na wo fa ho no ma questionable when you are being chosen as a chief or a queen mother.
All right.
So indeed say Nana just say the kakra beka and be brave beka.
Nana just say unsampa nana.
Yo. Nti Nana bia ama the generality of things. But it's say me de me fear biru. Na me na me eja se pen we biru nti meka afa Nana Gwantua Hene Kwabena Owusu ono the processor ofemo inti sani amane cheye no se ohene pese eyebri ohene pese osu obi hene ahinsi no ye wo mu ahore bien ye woni a akonwa no ye abusunya bi de ina ne ye woni a kro ura nso na nkasa tumisi inti mame fa me den example me ebru jase hene akonwa na ewa ebru no ye busua bi a wo frɛ no Kwasi Jaban busua won na ye won de inti na obehwa me din no Jaban ka ho no inti Kwasi Jaban ebusua na wosi
jase hene
yedi kan wo besiw se Kwasi Jaban ohene na wosi wie na waya amani nyina ma na wode wosi wakonwa so wode wɔkɔkyerɛ wakɔn tuntum na ɔkyerɛ wamane bi a wɔn ho wie a ɛne akyi no ne fɛ de wakɔsuae akyerɛ kurowura.
I see.
Na nti wabusua panyin na ɛde wobɛkɔ akɔma ne sɛ abranti na yɛde n'abrɛw sɛ wɔmbɛdi wogya ase hene. Nti before then no na wɔn asi wɔ hene wɔ wo abusua fi hɔ dedaw.
Jaba.
Kwasi jaba fi hɔ. That is one example.
All right.
Ɛno de efi abusua mu. Nti another example were brew say mankrado. Mankrado akonwa no abusua bi de.
Oh, I see.
Wɔfrɛ abusua no wɔfrɛ no atetemantre. Were brew. Brew akwamuhene nso abusua bi de. Wɔfrɛ wɔn akɛsere. Na woyi ɛno no mu fi hɔ a efe de ahenni ni bebree ɛwɔ kurom hɔ nyinaa yɛbere hene na osi.
Oh, I see.
Yo.
I see.
Enti ansa na ɛbere hene besi obi ɔhene no sɛnea na nabea kan no there is some investigation about the person. Na yɛahwɛ nipa ni bebree yɛ were they are royals. Men can say. But as obi sa ho say nipa although oyo audition no. Ofata say what you need dia dia na.
Yeah.
Nya de si nyina no ofata.
Sir.
Nya de si nyina no ofata. Nti wo ye investigation say nyina ra. Na se na hineku e bru hine. Oje ho kwa mi hineku. Ojetu mu sɛ nea waye ni nyinaa chi no efe de odidi bia ne bɛma wa ne di kan ne sɛ ɔbɛsoma akyeame na wɔn akɔbɔ wagya amane.
Wow.
Nti wabusua panyin ne wagya so wɔkɔ akɔbɔ wabusua panyin amane na wabusua panyin so akɔbɔ wa wofo a wɔwo no
Amane.
Say na hineku ana say ebiri hine pese oye ibana mo wo ho asema na mo de aba
Sir.
mo ni ho asem nso ya na mo bepene so na mo pene so nso ya mo de aseda akoma no say aye ne fe pe obefa mo ba de akodi ade.
Wow.
Nti enu echi no na efe de wo be hyeda a wo de be kyere wo.
Okay.
Nti wo hyeda a wo de be kyere wo na won asoma kurura obesoma osafo hene. Ni na asafo ma na bebi a ushibia tokuru bi a ushibia
ya
ba kyere wo afi ho.
Na me pacho we de ma me fa nko ekyiri kakra. O se ye ba bebisa we busua na wa ye be kye wo hene de ye misa wo se o pese wo di hene na se onni hene
se wokobo wa busua panyin amane a busua panyin so be frɛ.
Oh, okay.
Ebisa wo.
Yeah.
Na edubiri bi a ebinom they don't have that option. And I'll use myself as an example.
Wow.
Me kwa ebiru, me kwa yi memreda, abrante me kwa yi memreda. Na anajo fankra me kochini kakra goje me. Me bedai. Ahemra che be 5:30 no benya nwiso me abusu panyin papa bi abafio say me abusu panyin ohwehwe me.
Wow.
Me kwa so no ye me abusu panyin. Yete ho. Yete asaso papa anapeye. Na ensem na kanu na nsisi so hu asem ni tinni nan baby amete wasaso no so obi wura fi ho ami hu wo ho na obi ewura ho wo na obi ewura ho efe de me hwe nipa na wo wura ho na min wo hwe won su ne won ban a min majuma wo ye wo promo
Yeah.
ko ya safoma
Hey.
that me say rade.
Don't cast.
And I'm sorry to share them.
Yeah.
And I'm lock it door. In fact, at the end of the day, they broke the door.
That's right.
Wow.
You. Instead, I didn't have the opportunity
Liberty to, yeah.
even
To
say yes or no. Into that, what's you know, unlike say be a grandchildren hene Kwabena Owusu I was share be a first like an act. I was no fear. I didn't have
you
that.
You didn't get that.
No, so you may never even find any videos of that watching I have a few, but they are not even professional videos.
Yeah.
You know. Into wow, what do we be the no? So yefa saa kwan no so ya sene amaka na babusua pan no so no obefro no akasa.
I see.
Until you have an opportunity. Invariably, no, saying no to an invitation from the chief doesn't speak well of you. Unless you have a very tangible reason.
Yeah.
Say, be a health. And be a you may be a we enti. For instance, we are here on to in politics.
Oh, I see.
I see.
Into
you are seriously involved in politics. That could be a tangible reason for refusing a chieftaincy title. And I say be our health. And I say be a baby a what be a who outside of Ghana and I wish your opposition now. We hear Briano.
Yeah.
Sano, you could let them know in a very
nice way.
Say, and yadi I'll be to me. I sang the same thing. We just say, oh, he so better was. Now, what was your payment now? On also in the family side, you know, we be or the never command.
I see.
Now, if you don't want to shed out what the bachelor, now, what bachelor, what do could be you? Obe chugwan egu nanso ya mani aye na wobechiro no kra no hene adwuma baby a wo sha wobechiro no wodu ho a osafo hene adwuma ene se o kan sem bi kirawo na ode ade bi apeten wo so
wow
na wa catch you say oji aho hene ku kwam hene ku na asoma no so mefa umbra na beboya no wana hifi na wadoko na wuchu ogwanu gu na nsu ya kan na omanti o manso no ka wado be shedem na watwe asia 6 weeks
6 weeks
that
was previously
okay. About 40 days
wow
na sa process of confinement no nyasa wado shedem okeke wachrawo wamane wako wano ho abakwasem sania ohene kasa ugwam ye so ye na juma wadere be mano no wachra ni nyina
wow
time a wado washa dem no sabre no so etwa bibi etwa mu no so se na yen ninanum nyina wo nyina why jumaden fumu ni ade nti na most of them were slim nti watch wish them on so one of the things they do they
to feed you
to fatten you
na body never back
akra body never back akra na wodin haban bin so egware o na ama ho na ma toso
wow
sa haban na so wo huhum ahoden
oh okay
eshe wodin until within those 40 days na fede da wo beda wadi no na wadan nipa foforo
wow
na wadan nipa foforo kra
that was in the past but say no asesa kakra
me what the mission them na what we being.
Oh, okay, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Baby wa otumiche here no pa ewia no kusai. Baby a area do ning. How if you say nature say nipa no won anya bere an kire na hinni.
Sir.
Ewo mu say adesua de is a lifelong process.
True.
But ne ma bi wo ho a ansa na obeba be swaya kire ni wura no. Ese say wo de ne hyedan mu na wo kire no. Inti sa hinni na wo kire obi anopa na ewia okusai no. Me de I don't subscribe to that.
Wow. And I think it makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
Because you need to know the traditions.
Exactly.
And also know what you are doing.
Yeah.
Ebusia, yene jase hene of a brew. And twetwem kom. Nana Boache Jaba the third. And Nanama a champon Obidiu the first. Ankobia of Assisi so Equiapim. We are looking at the aftermath of Nana Kwabena Owusu's enstoolment. Now, today we are learning a lot. If you're a lover of traditions, customs, and Ghanaian culture, this is a conversation you shouldn't miss. So we'll continue. So say yehun Equiapim leadership no sena esitie. And after so yehun acquire faso a yede eche yede obi esi akunya so as ohene. And in this case we are looking at Nana Kwabena Owusu. Akosia, I hope you're enjoying the conversation.
I am.
You should, because prophecy.
I don't have any options. I have to.
You have to
be careful and listen to it. That man koye bibi and was say meye, and now man ko kan bibi and was say meka. Yeah.
Interesting.
Say
the processes which led to Nana Kwabena Owusu ne enstoolment. I want us to see a brew community no. How they've responded to Nana Nahindi as Gwanto Ahene of Ebrumem. Community members know how have they responded to this enstoolment.
I must say, sir, as for the Ebru community, it's their reaction is very, very positive. And why do I say this? Ansan Gwanto Ahene Kwabena Owusu. What didn't be the other no? Funny say for the past 3 years or 4, if I'm not wrong, a brew a fashe yedino. A brew ba young fashe yedino.
Yeah.
So we are manissim fima. Niema kronum yedina na Gwanto Ahene Kwabena Owusu na odeba.
Wow.
Inti titu mrante ne maba ne de. Just say or champion. Because the Emma won any no.
Yeah.
Ono na no odeba.
The events.
Events. The gospel musicians, the high life musicians. He organized all of them. Wow. We bring them onto a big stage for about 2 days, sometimes 3 nights, continuous nights. Inti enoma kromano ebehuno. Inti eba isa wadi ni diade no. It wasn't a surprise to many of them. So if you say he had already started paying his dues. And yes, obi otene baby a wonimu no na won akofa naba nemo why ye ni a ese why ni e fata wa kire se so what the new year can do for ya obetumi aye
sir.
Indeed, the reaction was very positive.
Interesting. Good to know. So a reaction was very, very positive.
And adding a little to the another kind of though a brew and fano or hineno. I think ni dues are which here concerning concerts now no way festival time no extended to the other Okre districts.
Oh really?
as far as yen honso as so ntino in as much as a brew agena tumu or create agena tum he's done so well ntino just adding up to and a brew ne the other towns no so any pa he deserves that yeah
interesting. All right, akosia
nana bia na sesia no wasue waye bibia ewie sesia no what is the immediate responsibility towards the community?
Okay, and as the name Gwantua meaning say just be can't be brave because just the power no go home but then will be the name speaks for itself. Gwantua.
Okay.
Into role na no I'm looking at the youth.
Okay.
Especially. And in this era, there are a lot of things going on with the youth.
Right.
And if we don't catch them young now, so the youth can relate to him very well and more. Now it to me I correct it for me a brew Nimo Nana will continue for us. But then me who say the major role is to bring all the youth on board. If baby or no ma won't go on krum.
True.
Yeah, him for near him ya for ni be crampo no yen fa yen mo franco. True. So ye ni munyama ni bebre. Before we even came to the studio, I was talking to Nana about something. Me kra meti hey.
Yeah.
Krekasa no kra men sheda. So Nana the role made me feel say is to bring on board the youth and be the mediator for them.
Interesting.
So unless, like I said, Jassy or nowhere brew no more to say about that.
Interesting. Jassy, Pacho, my intio.
Say Casso be a Guantia Henia. Just as she said, the name speaks for it. Or ye ubia wugwang triano. Yen amani jetumu say ye nipa. Na nipa nsuntino yeti biara ye befom. Ya ye be bie mu ye befom. Because Unyankopon kra nim say efom enu nti na o kan se wo ye boni na o je boni tum na o sere boni fafiri ya oyo no kwafo se o de boni be firiu na watia na wato ho afi nya enti nyina mu sa no Unyankopon kan wa ne chiro se mu
true
nti se obade no kra eje tum se ye nipa yefoma yen nipa hena ne yen a yebetumi aka se yen fom yefom na omen nsem no se wofom na ese wokọ ohene anima the wisest thing to do is so gwan actually gwantua hene na adwuma ne se obi fom na obi gwantua na obehwehwe asem nim na wo hu se ampa onipa na fom
sir
esan se oye kurowura gwantua hene nsunti no se wasua na mane nsu yi a obehu se saa fom a wafom yi ehun asotweni inti me koka bia ma omo nso siesie wo ho
That's right.
Well,
sir
inti me koka bia ma o nso bia saa ofom a wafom yi ehun asotwe ye bia inwan anum ebi a meka bi ama wo na won ato so ebi e be biesa ana ebien nti siesie wo
wow
na ansa na wode wugwantu ya bekọ akọma no so no na ukura wugwantu ansa
a wode ko
de wode kọma gwantu ya hene
wow
nti ono na wode say juma na ahye ne nsa se obi fom a ese ekwa himfi a ono se wo pe wasumdwe ya ono na ugwan koto ya no na esan se kurawura nso agina tomu so ono ni gwantia hene nti nso no se ono di wanim koka mije di se kurawura rinsi ni ti asenkyere no
sir
abema na emisu ya kyere
wow na insay say the break gwanwa hene na ayo insane yede
insane de se wokọ nanim wokọ hene anim no akọma ne nsa
yeah
nti ni opa bia no de ye
oh okay
en on fine nya mane
okay
yamum wo kan wasam a kyerɛ no na wode nsa akɔma no na yobu sɛ wokɔ panyin anim na wode nsa akɔma no ɛno nyɛ nsa wode kɔyɛ ama no
okay all right that's clear. So now we know the immediate rules Gwantuahene will be performing as he has assumed his duties now. Nana Kwabena Owusu. May follow-up question. As you say, ye kasem ya chere or you be ana or ye maybe what cronim deda before I de DBA and as a position a man as Gwantuahene. Now let's look at some of the ways with his new position, you'll be to me a promote a unity, a war, a broom.
Yo, Wagner at the background, Kameka,
yeah,
comes in line with no question our son. Apart from, sir, Obi a Bonia, who could go out to no,
yeah,
Onan Casanon so. Ne function no se obi ni obi on asem on tema otumi de won asem no kodam no
wow
na watna asem no so na wasiesie won tem within the traditional setting no yen shada nka asem imbufo when it is between two ordinary people.
I see.
But OCC one time. It's like mediation.
Yeah.
When you are doing mediation, you don't find faults. That's not the place to find faults. You are bring peace within two people. You're trying to settle this between two people. Inti mofa kwanga one bed nina we be to say okay. Say as a sem na yero konwa e bia emfansa asase ne 3 acres na ye hwani na we betumi aka so okay me jatum me no sure fa bi na ye be chem pepepe and in a way we have a win-win situation.
Right.
Yeah.
That promotes unity. That promotes unity. Into no se adbibia wo kromu ho a ebema or how menteme ho ase bi ni ade abakro mu a na sede so obehwe na nia ede sa menteme ho ase na ba no obesiesie na ama somdwe nso abakro na ede boyen nso abakro.
Interesting. Thank you so much.
Koda and nana ba o nyama bebre yi o mesiesie nyam mesiesie ye tempa especially I mean the how again
ade only more problem
say nana ba pen position asisa
show
you pepe
only more problem
why you try your you're still watching the Max Morning Show. We'll be right back.
You are still watching the Max Morning live on Max TV. We also streaming live on Facebook, Max TV and Max FM 89.7. Today we are looking at the aftermath of the enstoolment of our very own Nana Kwabena Owusu, Gwantuahene of Ebru. And we are doing this discussion with Jasehene of Ebru and also Ankobia of
Me say them no be boss.
Assess. Nanabia. I know for short.
For short.
Nanabia. All right. Nana for
Don't worry. If you cry for me,
Sakodi Obede.
It's fine.
Interesting. Yeah. That's thing about names. Yeah. When you're not familiar with it, it takes time. All right. And it's been an interesting conversation. We've seen how the leadership of Equiapim land is. We've also seen traditional processes we went through before installing Kwabena Owusu, and we're looking at how the community responded and also immediate responsibilities. Yeah, but also, before I go break, you made mention of the fact you wanted to know how we can treat him, right, when he returns as colleagues and as you can say subordinates. Exactly. How we can interact with him. Emfa Bonibia Emma Tinanabia.
Okay, so for me, I'm so excited. Say, ne jumamun watching no. Just for you to know, say, ne level nasasa. Knowing him. Kakrano onye obi a sabi I think nyameka kese say ahindi no ma wonye proud too proud me kai emre amenhine ewe kasa chrem say woni mienti a yede wotena fam so ne be say mo call we ni bia say initially yede wotena fam just for you to know say wonga Obabedi wants so now you have that same level with them. But then we would deny it say you are the leader. Inti nyama besaka cry as to how to relate with him. But then as humble as he is, who respected the title so you should automatically say Nana to be she said something. I say also akofna ne mono ono all wo echi no kra hu say bibia sesa there's a shift into automatically no Emma we a different person oba whenever he's coming back now you come to realize say enimuna ashren bibia sesa so won't know what hi baby it's a want to mean hi baby but and also interest need to mean
fingerprints to unlock
baby want to mean any related as old friend and our colleague but then there should be some kind of respect because they say a position a bigger one
position
make a cry mechanic nothing so no I know say ne colleagues especially Nanabia to be
Nanabia
stiff around him but every respect due him what the man
you have to accord him
and as I say so be on to me no munsu on to me the and na say na dwuma mu on to me no money na betna sin the dia and on chese o kire no ho
okay
but part of yeah the atom no
interesting
anytime I speak because my chief is here jasi until na kind
before I record just saying I want a personal experience.
Okay.
Yeah, obey Nana Hime.
That's right.
Call back. I'm sure you were working, right? And
okay, so
yeah, call back now. How did they receive you? Yeah.
Okay, me self-employed,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and me but yeah, me wo baby a me
oh, I see.
So it's just for them to know say money me wo bibi differently to say this is who I am, and I'm make up by me co process. Na finally me be your him ya no near on to me kasa me ni kra hu me opeso okoto.
Wow.
And me more they sometimes say
yeah, you told them
but then that is the respect automatically nyame de domo enti esesa with my experience nyama bebre asesa.
Fantastic.
Nyama bebre untumi ni me kasa anyhow. And oyo himian so me so mentumi ni obi ankasa se ni ame pepia. A typical example in my community BBC enye me chrome but maybe amete and quick they called upon me. Oh me nye or himia was so they called upon me and I felt good.
Wow.
Say hey Nana ketwa no abe nana so yes it changes. Things change and
thank you so much. Afe yamra Jasehene wacho so kada kan about our relation with him now that he's been sworn in as a Gwantua Hene of Ebru. Yeah.
Yo, me that's it. Me jadi se bra osaiwie no. Achiame kan sembi. Na sama wakan ne se say baby a wakodu no se woni ne wo few bi dia. Etwa.
Sir.
That speaks volumes. Na ya kanso no few bi dia no nche say you can't relate to him as a friend or the way ordinarily you would relate to him. But saying na be edi kan aka no obu what the bema no
sir
na ma hu se say no o gina bia foforo inti no enira bi wo ho a ahinni mo ethics kra emma no kwan so obeye
sir
inti Friday upon ejuma boys ya kotena baby na gwanchia hini so mintumi ne monkwa enkyere se okyere no ho
sir
ana so they say wa be yo hini nti say no because according to say Bible say yentna feudifo atnabia
sir
sana hini nsuti
sir
untumi nkotena baby a wono monsa basa odi da debi enye se edidi ninye ana se wono monsa kakra ninye na mmom sabe wodo wo kofra nipa woye niema basa na obi koyawo kura untumi yawo ni bi
true
esa nipa uyenti na oho akokyerw you can't go into the gutters with them intina SSA ohini biara ohwe na namun yiye na namun ti otu ni yiye inti sa ha na oye adwuma ono na ese ne relationship no kra oma obi ehu se oyo hini ya hobrase
sir
na me can say respect is earned. You cannot demand respect. We are in things says so bibu. When I say obu first. When I say obu Emma wanga wo ben answer.
sir
Na odi obu ma wanga they reciprocate it.
true
Within your community cry ebusia se dia me da ebusia no yi. Wo ebusia pen wo ho.
yeah
Oya ebusia pen o meja. O mu se me na meti akwa no so de.
yeah
Nso ya meja. So be se meyi. Na man kan kire no na wa ma me kwan a mentumi nko.
wow
Into the Obuma one also on the Obuma.
Sir.
So even in the work environment, yes, I say Mudi Obuma.
Sir.
But it will start with him. Say, Obe Bren who I say, in him so you'll be a one brass.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's part of his hallmarks.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, meba. Inti minimum.
Sir.
Inti sa ho brass no, eno na ebe attract a reciprocal respect. Mandebe mano. I don't think anything should change significantly.
Yeah.
Feel free around him. It will take time for you to realize, oh, on yeah, Franky 5 view.
Yeah.
Sir. Sir.
Man over from time to time. But with time, no.
Yeah, we'll get used to it.
You get used to it.
Interesting.
Me now for be name paying be. Especially when I'm paying I would name me na me shano. Yeah, we will na ni refi.
Oh, about Odin.
Wabo me ding yes. Oh, nana.
Interesting.
Nothing should change
significantly. Yeah.
Needing no na SSM mo needing senior what the amano. Na just the courtesies.
Interesting. Nana, where the empacho over to us one my na yenhwe some of the immediate challenges he will face. On the early stage, to say wabaye one to we know say every tax beer comes with some form of challenges, which I'm sure you all experienced it when you assume your new role. Inti Nana Kwabena Owusu, and also challenges that are bound to happen. Now, face we are, or how he can overcome some of these challenges. No, then also akanwamai.
That's it. The beer what the amano no. Kano na he di beer obia sebe wa bobre du nanim opanyina nani afi na what tade sa di beer no ma won
Gwanto ahene no
nice inti bra ore kire na se no mo bete so kan say Major, I can't walk TV a month.
Yeah.
But I say, Major, ne Guantua Henny Kwesi Abuaje. Guantua Henny Kwesi Abuaje no, me Major Woman.
Wow.
Wow.
You. Inti Major Kwesi Abuaje no was the first Guantua Henny of Hebrew.
Wow.
Ofi hono yinsi bibio ye. Nchiono na oko sinanan.
I see.
That's huge.
Yeah.
That's huge.
Inti he has been left with big shoes. So the first challenge he will face in this position is to be able to get the social license to operate in that position. And yes, I was say cherebu man, and I was say cherebu in a keke. Into no be edge watum there be. Say American kind so position can whatever obia wabo brand and drew.
Yeah.
What the asem konanim now no so call hini anymore. Ebeye ding say ohene besi ni ti ase akere no, so that will be the main challenge say oya brante na wadene esi kunwa o manti o manso no na eye impanyin
Sir.
won abobra ko won nimu no na nka wode ma won. But for every challenge there is a way around it.
True.
Sabe se we say wo sound hohore when I'm paying to meet na CDD.
Sir.
Inti, despite the fact say oya brante no se odi obu mane paying na osua mane na osua senia woni nipa kasa na osua senia wosiesi nipa muntama. He will succeed in his job.
Interesting.
Sabe enyem panyin nyina na nyansa wo ntim sabe o obi ho ya bo so nyansa wo ni tim kan na sedwen wo bi tim a na kire se o nyansa
Yeah.
Beka me ya bofra no wori asem bi ba me papa anim na asem no na nipa be na asem no wontem no ba ku ne nitim wudwen kakra na ba ko no ya branti kakra ndi woti o ne asi no na wo se wo mpuye na mpanyin no na me ya bofra ntu so ya na ma ko hyedem ho nti na metie na mpanyin ati asem no so no aba ko kan so ni tim wudwen no oje no na asem ni because John when it's in to mean chatro. But you see, those days,
Yeah.
it was true. But I'm saying the Sabi, John will beat him, but
the ways name ya pure.
you. Inti, me jadi say, oh ya branted. Paying a kuma.
Sir.
Na wadi ama no enso se otie efutu fini mpanyin ho na okoso sua manne wahimfi oben mpanyin wahimfi dia ejuma wadi ama no migedi so betumi aye na ebi a waye kra bro nia obeto ye so.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Na say you know enkomone ya there but me sure me times so this year ya be one now. Wow,
know,
interesting. Inti we dey you wo bronya brain mu yi. Ya be ma nana bia ne jase hene akonya na mo Xmas message to mo manfo mo betimi e dia tudwa amai. Inti nana bia my intio. Na just hene and finalize it.
Oh yeah.
You ekwapem tete abakosem mwa besi enne no ye very peaceful people. Na me goodwill message bro ya brimu ne say yenkoso na yenye peaceful. Yesu sai no we say kwapem fo oba be ya okwapem ni be ya okro se mpacha uzi we aboya. Enti yenkoso na yenye peaceful. Anya peaceful say obi ye wade na nya untumi nka na mo ne yenka yen show love. Ni aya wo na ma yen nti aye di bronya no ode asundwe ne bai. Or the enije and a brain because wabeye yen savior. Inti yenke kaya humbum I'm calling on from a brewer, in fact from a krapim kroni ni na nana bear to be kroma besi abonse asisia so brekuso yeni na yenye united na yemfa yentoma penfra. Lately, somebody be yen to me bro yen to my go, but then lately, you know, Yamanko yesa, yen kayenchi na yen bra together na yen yankupong asoma yensi yen meye we ekwapemem and beyond ekwapemem na still obuna ye cry as a kwapem no ye nkra na sa.
Thank you so much.
Ahemfo ni nyina ne ahemiafo nyina so ye ma won afehyiapa.
Afe enkomesa he. Just saying it.
Oh, my yeah. Bronya ebru de ye soronko ma yen kakra. Ibi say ene yen afahye ehia. Ye fi yen afase memory da no. Nti yetuema kwasi da.
Wow.
Ansana ye nti ene bronya no abehia fefefe ama yen. Nti no nyamaka ne say ba ne edikan maminchi a miura oji ahoho kwa me hineku ebiru hine ane na atyanko nyina ahemfo ne ahemia na mabusua pen michum minchi a mehemia na ama edubia nso na nyamaka kire ebiru man nso ne say sese yeriko yanim na anamonga yura etu wasisi ahemfo na nsan mu no ni nyina kire se tro ne dampen mu na yema afoforo beka ho adwuma na nya ba ko adwuma ye hia afoforo beka ho na nyina oyiso na yekoyen anim inti yaridi yen afia bronya nso ewo hwe na yesa ne se yemfa odo imodo mu enne benada ukwa ebiriwa yen afahye no juma yidi wo ne se medi kankan se yen afahye ye frɛ no eba no ase kyerɛ sɛ yerepam eni eba
Oh, okay.
Den na ase a yerepam efisem ase intentra say worepam ntama baby nemum efisem a ejija oyi nkasa abusua bi asem wo ntem inne benada is the real essence of a back because inne na impayintnas we fearful enya himfi abusua biara abusua pen frɛ wonyinara mo atenase asem bi wo fi a wo beka enye program ya SM ba and by this time matenase but me abusua pen wo ho nti me nsukra me say obehwe me achi yie
Wow.
nti enne benada ye di yen afashe no moma yen fa odo modum obi ne bi wasam a muntwa so
Sir.
menka say muntwa so in the sense say mamun siesi asem no but wo be siesi but don't take an entrenched position
Sir.
ebema asekan ye den sebe asase na America asase no ebi ani ope beto hokra oko
True.
so na yenga akayete horeko nti mama yen fodo modum titru yerkai enebnada yesiesie yentamu
Sir.
na yemomodin fie bia ba bia asem bia obia momodin siesie na ochina wuku yetumi atena ase yenyina de ensa tumuka baakum na yetumi adidi se ebusia
Fantastic.
Right.
nti ebru mema munyina fresh apa afen komati
Afe enkomete nana wanu hwam nana bia wanu hwam papa.
And I saw the eba.
Oh, okay.
Green no say eba. Me say I'm proud because near pefufu edi.
Inti mu ko di eba. See.
So I was like, Gary,
Interesting. So that's our big story for the day. We were looking at the aftermath of Nana Kwabena Owusu's enstoolment, and joining us today, Nana Boache Jaba the third, Jasehine of Ebrew, Ekriapim, and Nana Ma Echampon Obidiu, the first, and Kobia of Assessor, so Ekriapim, and Nyamiya Duma Chinano, we have a surprise for you. Yes. It's the Xmas edition of the Max Morning Live. Make sure you don't miss it. Same time, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Me am indeed Jumedi Echiame, your friend me Kofi Ofori Daniel Asante. Edi adodo na friend me Mr. Koda. Yenshia ewo radio so at 3:30 for the Max Drive. Me name nyaba.
Akosia Tishuana, nanom tianti me mfa ba akone so me ferry. Yes, 2 p.m. on quick. What you say? Get that make up.
All right. We wish you a Merry Christmas. For some of us, maybe you may not see it until next year. So it's a Merry Christmas
and Merry Christmas
Happy
on the morning show.
New Year to all of you. Take care and one love. Bye-bye.
Bye.